Switch case. Apart from if expressions to branch, we can also use switch expressions. Switch expressions are very simple compared to. Usually switch expressions are used to check conditions in one variable. In the first scenario, we create a variable named John and implement a switch case statement in the Go programming language. The switch is designed to evaluate the value of John, and based on the cases provided, it executes specific print statements. If the value of John is David, the program prints Hello, David. If it is James, the output is Hello, James. For any other value, the default case prints What's your name? Moving on to the second scenario, we introduce a variable named Today, representing the current time. A switch case is then constructed to evaluate the day component of the Today variable. If the day is less than 5, the program prints Clean your house. If the day is less than 10, it prints Buy some snacks. In the default case, if no specific conditions are met, the program prints no information available for that day. Exercises. Number 1. Declare a variable grade and assign a letter grade A, E, D, C, D, or FF. Use a switch statement to print a message based on the grade E. G, excellent, good, average, poor, fail. In addressing the first question, we create a variable named grade with the value B in the Go programming language. Subsequently, we implement a switch case statement to evaluate the value of grade. Based on the evaluated grade, specific print statements are executed. If the grade is AE, the program prints excellent. If the grade is B, it prints good job. For the grade C, the output is average. If the grade is D, the program prints poor. In the case of an F grade, it prints fail. The default case is designed to handle any grade that doesn't match the specified cases, and it prints invalid grade. Now it's time for us to print to see the results.